abroad, and I was contacted to break my vacation to return home and be part of this event. I had absolutely no hesitation to do that. Absolutely. This is simply because today we are celebrating the life of a remarkable Nigerian leader, a patriot, and a leader in the making, who I believe are the kind of leaders that we are looking forward to producing in this country. And therefore, let me use this opportunity again to congratulate Senator, Governor, Representative, Waziri Tambuwal for attaining this golden age. You have had a lot of speeches, a lot of goodwill messages, a lot of predictions, a lot of prayers. We only hope and pray you will not disappoint Nigerians by making sure that you live up to all those wishes and prayers. Let me therefore use this opportunity to congratulate you, congratulate your family for the remarkable achievements you have made in your political career, and wish you the very best. God bless you all. Thank you very much.
A big and sincere congratulations for joining this age. This is an age you cannot afford. You cannot afford, but to always do the right thing. I know it's 2 minutes. I'll just give mine in 2 minutes. When I had a partner who was 60 years old, and I was 40, and I advised him how to invest his money to be able to make more money, because he was earning 2% in the UK, and I told him where to earn 10%. He said to me, Peter, the normal life of a human being is 80. When you reach 60, you don't take risk again. It's time to reconcile with your enemies, do the right thing, because you don't have room to make amends. Haven't known Tambuwal, haven't seen this unity, and what it can do for development, is a man I can tell you that is committed to the unity of this country, to building consensus that we need for national development, for justice, and always preaching it. And I wish you well, and I urge all of us to always continue to remember him in our prayers. Thank you, and God bless you.